Embark on an extraordinary journey as we unveil the beauty and charm of England, a land where history, culture, and natural wonders come together in a harmonious dance. Join us in discovering the 10 must-visit destinations, each offering a unique chapter in the story of this enchanting nation. London, the Grand Gateway. Our adventure begins in London, the dazzling capital that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. From Buckingham Palace to the vibrant West End, explore the beating heart of England. Bath, a Georgian masterpiece. Immerse yourself in the elegance of Bath, where Roman baths and honey-colored Georgian architecture create a timeless atmosphere. Stroll through picturesque streets and unwind in the city's natural hot springs. The Lake District, nature's poetry. Head northwest to the poetic landscapes of the Lake District. Hike amidst the fells, cruise on serene lakes, and discover the picturesque villages that inspired literary greats. Oxford, a scholarly sojourn. Journey to Oxford, where academic allure meets architectural splendor. Explore historic colleges, marvel at the Radcliffe Camera, and take a leisurely punt along the River Cherwell. Cambridge, punting perfection. Cross the academic threshold to Cambridge, a city synonymous with prestige. Admire the stunning King's College Chapel and enjoy a leisurely punt on the River Cam. Stratford-upon-Avon, Shakespearean reverie. Step into the world of the bard in Stratford-upon-Avon. Visit Shakespeare's birthplace, wander through Anne Hathaway's cottage, and catch a performance at the Royal Shakespeare Theatre. Liverpool, Beatlemania and maritime majesty. Head west to Liverpool, a city with a rich maritime history and the birthplace of the Beatles. Explore the vibrant Albert Dock, delve into the Beatles' story, and marvel at Liverpool Cathedral. York, medieval marvel. Uncover the medieval charm of York, where Viking roots and ancient walls create a captivating backdrop. Visit the Grand York Minster and lose yourself in the enchanting lanes of Shambles. Windsor, Royal Retreat. Experience regal splendor in Windsor, home to the magnificent Windsor Castle. Tour the castle, admire St. George's Chapel, and explore the charming town that surrounds this royal retreat. Brighton, seaside serenity. Head south to Brighton, a vibrant seaside town known for its lively atmosphere. Explore the iconic Brighton Pier, marvel at the Royal Pavilion, and soak up the sun on the sandy beaches. England, with its kaleidoscope of landscapes and rich heritage, invites you on a journey of discovery. Whether you're drawn to the historic streets of London, the tranquility of the Lake District, or the regal allure of Windsor, each destination promises a unique and unforgettable experience. So, fellow travelers, start planning your odyssey through England and let the magic unfold in this wondrous tapestry of destinations. Cheers to the beauty of England. Please subscribe to our channel.